One eye is almost done. No filming. This is so interesting. Today's affirmation and encouraging word is I choose my thoughts and my words. I choose my thoughts and my words. We don't always choose positive thoughts and we don't always choose positive words. But if we practice it often and plenty, we will have positive thoughts and words. Sometimes we overthink. Our thoughts and our words are not positive because we are human beings. Not even the best of the best can say that they do have positive thoughts and words all the time. That just doesn't happen. But when we falter, we can always, and I say always, choose positive thoughts and words to bounce back. This is an orange I am using from the Juvia's Place, and it is the Magic Mini palette. Let me show you. These are the shades. I have the orange on all over my eyes. I am going into another shade to darken it up. Pulling out these palettes and playing with them. I love playing with them. I love. I have a different brush I'm going into. It looks like a very, very dark navy blue. My thoughts and words need to be positive. I want to be on the positive side. But I'm not always there. I'm human. And I am not always there. I am a being who wants to be positive every single minute of the day. And most of the time, I am. But when your thoughts sometimes contradicts you, you have to stop, take a deep breath, and realign yourself back with positive thoughts and positive words. If you find yourself going more into the direction of negative thoughts and words, don't be hard on yourself. Don't. Every time you catch yourself thinking negative thoughts, seek and dig deep for a positive one. That will help you a lot. This blue is looking good. Today's eye look, I use two mats. And it's from the Juvia's Place, the Magic Mini. I use my Blue Altar liner, top and bottom. My lip combo is black liner and Juvia's Place terracotta blush. That's my lip combo and also my blush. And this is today's look. Until I see you and you see me, I am asking you, please, to do yourself a favor And choose positive words and thoughts for your affirmations. Affirmations can be negative words and thoughts or positive words and thoughts. So I'm asking you to pick positive words and thoughts for your affirmation. I trust that you will, and I will do so also. Always remember you first. Never stop rising. Never dim your light for another. Always, always choose you first. See you shortly in the next video. Bye.